Hi, Solar Solutions. My name's Ryan. I work with solar companies throughout the whole of Florida, and I recently came across your business when I was doing some research on solar panels in Tampa. So I just thought I'd send you this quick video showing you how we can optimize your website and get more traffic going through your website, which will in turn get you more leads. A lot of people think just because they got a website up that does all the work. Not true. We can do a couple of things which I'll show you in this video quickly on how to optimize this to make sure that we get to your website works perfectly for you and as well as it can for you. The next thing is also this: there's no obligation with this video. It's just I like helping businesses, and I thought I could show you this video and we can help you. Welcome to have you go yourself. If not, give me a call and we can talk about it and see how we can help each other. So first things first, I really like your website a lot. It looks to be quite new because it's copyrighted year on 2023 by the looks of it. So it looks to be quite new, but it's very nice. I love how you have some moving parts, some stable parts, some nice looking pictures, which is really good. So one of the ways we can help optimize your website is to get 1,500 words on your homepage. So Google crawls your page 24/7 for your content, just to make sure that to say what you are who you say you are, and obviously it gives the search engines key phrases so that Google knows to send traffic towards you. So if you don't know those key phrases on your website, which I'll show you in a bit, then Google won't be sending any traffic your way. So I've put you up against your number one competitor, which my mouse was working, sorry. My number one competitor, which I'll show you their websites and you can see it. They've also got a nice website. They probably don't have 1,500 words, so that's something easily we can outrank them. Similar sort of pictures. So the research I was doing was solar panels Tampa. So this is like the search engine. This is how Google directs traffic to your website. So I'll start at the beginning here. When you do any kind of search, you normally get the sponsored, which is adverts. So these guys are probably paying per click. So if I clicked on this now, depending on the contract they got with Google, they probably have to pay them whether I use them or not. It's just got to go past a certain point, and then they'll have to pay Google. Then over here is the sort of map pack section. I like this because you can obviously see where you are. A lot of people like to use businesses close to home, and also people just like to know where they are, so it's easy just to drive up instead of someone just coming to you. You phone someone, they rock up at your house, you have no idea where they are. So this is a nice section. Generally, businesses get about 30% of their online leads through this map pack section, and then this is the organic listing section. And then, like I said, this is your number one competitor, which I showed you over here. Okay. So another way we can help optimize your website is to have citations, or to have more citations than Tampa Bay Solar. So a citation is basically your company name, address, and phone number listed on directories on the web. So for example, like Yelp and the Yellow Pages. That's also trusting for Google. That you're legit and you're not a scammer. So what I'm also going to do is I've got this the software that my team and I use, which gives me all the ins and outs of your website. And this is your website here, as you can see, and I'm going to compare it to Tampa Bay Solar. So DR and UR. So UR is trust, how trusty your website is and how trusted you are, and DR is how powerful you are according to Google. And then backlinks and referring to names. So backlinks is other websites that has your URL, which is your website, listed on their pages, which sends traffic back to you. And keywords, you got 195, and at the moment you're getting just short of 400 visits a month. And this is where I think, which I'll show you now, how we can get that up quite a bit. So backlinks, let's just click in there. one thing is also noticed, not all backlinks are created equal. So I see you got some really nice looking backlinks here that got some nice power. So basically, if we went to thehomeadvisor.com, you can see that your URL is there, sending traffic back towards your website. So you got 282 backlinks from 54 referring domains, and they have got 661 backlinks from 96 referring domains. So let's have a look here. As you can see, some of them are not as powerful as you. So 660 is not a lot, so that's not a lot of work to outrank them. Then I'll start with your one. The next things is keywords. So that is how Google and the search engines find you. So for example, this phrase here, solar panels tamper, sorry, that's just my reading. Those are if those keywords, if that keyword is not in your list of keywords you're being found for, then that traffic is not going to ever get to you. So that's what we need to have a look at. So if you have a look here, you can see that this is how you are currently being found, right? So solar solutions, that's probably a bit more of a broader prospect because your company is called Solar Solutions, but a lot of people would probably just Google solar solutions in general, probably countrywide. And yeah, you'll see you're getting 258 out of your 400 is coming just from that. So the next thing is if you keep going here, so if you look here, solar Tampa, for example, that is searched 700 times. You're only getting 7 visits from that. That's because you're in position number 15. So if you had to get to position number 1, you would be getting about 25%, because there's an article which I'll show you just now, is 25% of people click on the first person ranked in Google. So I'm going to go to a competitor now and look at his keywords, and he's getting 4 times as much traffic as you. Right. So if you have a look over here, let's go to a pretty good one. So if you have a look here, Solar Tampa, that's happening 700 times a month. He's in position 3, so he's getting 97 just from that key phrase. 97 visits. So if someone searches, if 700 people are searching Solar Tampa, he's getting 97 visits. So he's got a lot of these key phrases over here on the left hand side in his website. As you can see, he's ranked in these positions. The higher positions are, the more percentage you get. So that is the next way of how we can optimize your website, is getting these key phrases on your homepage. So we're telling Google and the search engines, hey, look at me. I'm Solar Tampa. So they know, cool, let's send some traffic towards your way. And like I said, if you have a look here, you can see there is lots and lots of search volumes available. This guy is not even actually doing as well as he could. He could probably do slightly better in some of these, but like I said, the ultimate goal is to be ranked in the sort of top 3 normally, but this is Energy Save, and these are not actually really much competition. So Tampa Bay Solar and Tampa Electric are your 2 biggest competitions. So if we get ranked in the top 2 here, we are going to get a lot more traffic for you going through your website. There you go. So like I said, you got 400 and he has got 1,600. So with those, I think it was actually 4 or 3. Those 4 things, if we can optimize your website using these 4 solutions, you can definitely get more traffic going through your website. Yeah, which is great. Obviously, it will lead to more leads. So yeah, let me know what you think about this video. I just thought, like I said, I like to help businesses. I'm very big into contractors, but I really like things going green. So solar is quite a big passion for me. So yeah, hopefully we can just have a quick chat and then we can go from there. Thank you very much.